If you're looking for a simple way to earn over $100 per day online, no matter where you are in the world, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start making money as a complete beginner. Stick around, and let's dive in. Step 1. Discover this new earning platform. Today, I'll be introducing you to a fantastic website where you can complete simple tasks like playing games, installing apps, and engaging in various play-to-earn opportunities. You can earn up to $100 or more per task just by completing these offers. I've personally tested this platform, and in this post, I'll even show you a live withdrawal proof, so stay tuned. The website you need to visit is GameCash. GG. You'll find the sign-up link in the description and the pinned comment. The best part? This platform is available worldwide, so no matter which country you're from, you can start earning money right away. For future updates, comment your country name below so I can create more targeted guides. Step 2. Sign up for an account. To get started, visit GameCash.gg and register for a free account. The process is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Choose a unique username, enter your valid email address. You'll need to verify it for bonus rewards. Set up a strong password and confirm it. Enter the bonus code, CashPro in all capital letters to receive a 25% earnings boost for the first 3 days. Make sure to check the terms and conditions box and click Sign Up to proceed. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Discord account. If you use an alternative sign-up method, don't forget to go to Account Settings, find the Bonus Code section, and enter CashPro to activate your earnings boost. Step 3. Navigating your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Here's what you need to know. Your balance is displayed in coins, where 1 coin equals $1. You can complete various tasks and offers to start earning immediately. I personally earned over $11 by completing just one task. To prove my earnings, I'll refresh the page live, so you can see it's not just a screenshot. Step 4. Completing offers for maximum earnings. To start earning, go to the offer section from the left-hand menu. This section includes various offer walls, such as Tooks Offer Wall, My Chips Offer Wall, Time Wall, Nook Times, Lowly Sushi Ads. Each of these offer walls presents different opportunities. If you're new, I suggest starting with Tooks Offer Wall. Click Show Tasks. Choose an offer based on your device, Android/iOS/PC. Follow the instructions to install an app or complete a game challenge. For example, installing a game called Wishing Well can earn you $23 just by reaching a milestone in the game. Different levels will unlock incremental earnings, and reaching the final milestone could earn you over $23. Other high-paying offers. Some offers pay significantly more, such as $100 for completing advanced game levels, $500 for finishing premium challenges, $50 for testing new apps and providing feedback. Important offer completion guidelines to ensure you get credited. Follow these guidelines. Use a genuine mobile device, no VPNs or proxies. Stick to one device and location. Complete the task within 30 days. Make sure you're a new user for each app you install. Open the app immediately after installation for a smoother experience. Step 5. Multiply your earnings. Want to maximize your earnings? Here's how. Complete multiple offers at the same time to earn faster. Focus on high-paying offers. Some pay over $500 per task. Invite friends using the affiliate program and earn 5% of their earnings. Join leaderboard challenges to win extra rewards. Stay active to unlock bonus offers. The more referrals you get, the more passive income you generate. Advanced strategies to boost your earnings. If you want to make over $100 per day consistently, consider these expert tips. Check the platform daily for new, high-paying tasks. Use multiple devices, if allowed, to complete more offers. Engage in contests where users can win bonus rewards. Follow GameCash.gg on social media to stay updated on limited time promotions. Step 6. cashing out your earnings. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, head over to the payout section. The platform will display the available payment options based on your country. You can withdraw via PayPal, Binance, crypto payments, gift cards, direct bank transfers. Where available, I personally prefer PayPal, so I selected the PayPal withdrawal option and cashed out $10 successfully. Payment processing time. GammaCash.gg usually processes payments within 2 to 3 business days, but in some cases, it may be instant or take up to a week depending on the payment method chosen. Step 7. Live withdrawal proof. To show this is legit, I processed a withdrawal request, and within 2 to 3 days, the amount was credited to my PayPal account. You can check the transaction proof for verification. Many users have reported consistent earnings from this platform, and with the right approach, you can make it a sustainable income source. Common withdrawal issue solutions. Payment delayed. Check if your payment method details are correct. Didn't receive full amount. Some methods charge transaction fees. Account issues. Contact GameCash.gg's customer support for assistance. Start earning today. If you're ready to make money online, click the GammaCash.gg link in the description or pinned comment, sign up with my bonus code CashPro, and start earning $100 per day. Final thoughts: earning money online in 2025 is easier than ever with the right strategies. Whether you choose to complete offers, refer friends, or participate in special promotions, GammaCash.gg provides multiple ways to maximize your earnings. That's all for today. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like and comment below.